cook ating chicken. Tignan natin kung luto na. Yes. Pretty cook. Ang bango ng onion, nakamix dito. So, that's it. Ito na yung aming hapunan. At saka yung long beans. Yung beans natin. Teka lang. Ay, ano ko lang siya. Ilipat ko lang doon. Muntik na masunod yung aking sauce. Kagigil. Yes, ayan na ating sauce. Ating gravy. At yung ating dinner. At yung ating vegetable na long beans. That's it. Yan ang ating hapunan tonight.